it's Ashkan, you guys. So I'm just pretty much just sitting here doing nothing because none of the quadruplets. What the heck was that? That's a little creepy. But let's just get on with it. So I'm pretty much. I'm gone. I'm gone. Yo. I am so gone. Oh my god, I'm terrified.
Go. I'm scared Naya. And she's scared me.
Who's Naya? Oh yeah, Naya, our friend. Oh my god, I'm horrified. Oh my god, I almost hurt my phone. What the heck? Okay, I'm gonna go back out here. What? Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know if it's one of the quadruplets pranking me. It might be, I don't know, from a prank I did on her off video that you guys didn't see. But I am terrified right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gone. Okay, I'm gone. Yo. I am horrified. Stop it! I'm horrified. Oh no. What? That's coming towards me. Oh my god! Okay, sorry guys, I fell and I hurt my leg and it hurts. I didn't break it. I didn't sprain it, but it really hurts.
Hi children, you want to play?
Early bathing. Okay, Carmen, was you actually hurt?
Yeah. I jumped off the couch and fell.
You're tuning to Paul Pierce. You're acting like Klay Thompson right now. Stop faking your injuries.
I didn't. Look, I have a bruise right there already.
Oh. That's what Klay Thompson said, but nothing's wrong with it.
Look.
Hi children.
Nia is stupid. You already know that. Nia is a turtle. Oh, I didn't mean to get disrespect. But Mom, you like this? You're wearing the undies. That's for your breakfast. That's your lunch, and that's your dinner. You get out of my face.
Come up
Ew.
on me like that.
That's my bruise. I don't know if y'all saw it. It's already bruised. It's only been like 1 minute and it's already bruised. Because my leg landed on this, a Jenga block. So my leg landed on. So it hurt even more. Okay, you guys. I'm about to reveal who this is.
Scary face. The shoes are open.
Okay. Who are you? Oh gosh.
It's Isabel.
Me. It's Isabel.
Yeah.
The girl I pranked. Yeah, I am.
Oh, the storm is rolling in. Listen.
Well, peace out, guys.